everyone. I'm reaching the GoPro, and I'm Jane. Nice to meet you. Good afternoon. What's your name, please?
I'm Kelly.
Kelly.
Yeah.
Kelly. Nice to meet you. Kelly, would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company and the products, like in 10 minutes or?
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Thank you. Here we go.
This is Kelly. I'm the marketing director of GoPro. GoPro was known as a professional manufacturer of LED luminaires. We do associated with many of our customers launched a lot of creative and qualified products and becomes a long-term relationship since then. We have 3 manufacturing bases, 2 of them located at Xiamen, and we set up Malaysia plants 2 years ago. We owning all around 20,000 square meter feet and also 1,200 employees so far. I think it's a time we're gonna show you what we bring at this year.
Sure, thank you.
Okay. Our majority products are for office lighting and residential lighting. Also the industrial and outdoor lighting. But this year we stepped into 3 new fields. That's horticulture lighting and UVC disinfection. Also the e-commerce. I think we should start from here, right?
Horticulture lighting.
Exactly. It's a hot spot, right?
Hot spot, yes. I heard the keywords a lot in the Google Trends.
Yeah. Actually, GoPro got the first patent related to grow light at 2013. After that, we spent 7 and 8 years to certify and verify a lot of kinds of grow light. So far, we got the whole range of grow light at the US market. And all of them are certified by UL and DLC 5.1. You might notice we already got 3 inventory patents over there, 25 utility model patents. Here we presented is X-Link tube over there and the cotton board. And on your back side, you might see this one. That's a modular grow light, and above that's a spider shape grow light. All of them are suitable for vertical farming, growing house, or greenhouse. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let's move to next zone. Okay. This is zone for the office lighting. Our technical expertise is the optical design. Our engineers developed a lot of optical materials, to achieve the good uniformity and anti-glare effect. That matters for the office lighting.
I see from the office application you have some edge-lit or frameless
and
panel.
backlight. Yes.
That's
also the frameless panel.
Yeah, very bend of the edge. You can do that.
Light can spread from all the angles. No dark area at all.
No black area. Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, you may notice this one. The arc corner panel hanging there. That one is special design for the double emission.
Double emission.
Yeah, the light can distribute it from both sides.
Oh, both sides. One.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
That can create an open space for the office.
Yes, transparent.
Yeah.
And more space.
Yeah.
And it's good for the eye. It's
It's good for the eye.
Yes.
Yeah. No flash.
No flash. Yeah.
Mostly. And that one is a shop light.
Shop light.
That one is special for the supermarket. You can install it on the roof with a track rail, so it can be removed. It's
easy installation.
Yeah. The function for that is especially for highlight the commodity goods on the shelf.
Oh, okay.
So the light is
the products or the items.
Yeah, direction could be adjusted.
Yeah, the angle can be adjustable. Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
Great.
This place.
And this is for home important.
Residential lighting.
Residential.
For the ceilings.
Yeah. Or the indoors, yeah.
Yeah. Those are European and American style.
Oh,
You can
okay.
see it's very clean and comfortable with the light.
Yes,
right?
the shape design is pretty and
classic.
yeah, classic one. Yes.
Exactly.
Oh, I can see a little bit of sparkling on this.
This
Oh,
no
is a
sparkle
design.
is flash like the stars.
flash. Yep.
It's designed for that.
Okay.
We care about the light, make it comfortable and clean.
Clean, yes.
And also we care about the appearance, the different appearance for decorative.
So both sides combined, you have to design the inner and outside. You also two sides you are designing.
Make it more attractive.
Yes, exactly.
And that one, ceiling fan.
Fans?
Yeah. That one is just put in mass production at last year. It mostly installed at the bedroom.
Installed
The
as
bedroom.
Bedroom.
Yeah. It can spread the wind widely
Yes.
and quietly.
Yes, the temperature can drop easily.
Yeah. So sometimes you don't need to open the air conditioner all the time, right?
This is my first time to see this shape of the fan and the light in combination. Usually I see a light in the circle, in the center, and then the fans outside. But now it's the fan wings inside the circle, and the outside side is the light. This is the first one I see this.
Combine them together for the convenience of the end users.
Yes, yes, the effective is quite.
Exactly. And that one I'm gonna show you. This one have a RGB backlight on the side, on the back side. So that one can be controlled by the apps.
The color can change by apps.
Yeah,
the
so
interaction.
for different things like
Exactly.
holiday time.
Yeah.
Or some calculation.
Yes, you can change the line of the color. Yes.
Okay. That's
Okay. I see that you have many visitors and the customers chatting around.
Yeah,
That's a very good sign.
some clients have a long-term relationship with us, so we invite them to here to discuss the business.
Yeah, that's a good for a company that you have long-term clients.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah.
I can
So
see.
we build a good relationship with tier 1 and 2 customers and local teams.
That's right.
So they have strong strengths to our creative life.
Actually, this is
Continuously.
yes. The reputation of your company is really strong, and you can attract them, not leaving you, but and getting closer to with you.
Concentrated together.
Yes, yes, that's great. Very good relationship.
For this loan, we have various options for the US market.
Oh, sorry. Microsoft. Oh, great.
Yeah, we have various options for the US market. There, you might notice shop light, linear high bay, garage light, and also the floodlight over there. That's suitable for the project distributors and also good for the retail market.
Industrial.
And on the back side, that's our superstar product. Those full range floodlight, including the watt from 15 to 300 watt. And all of them are certified and listed by UL and DLC 5.1. We developed 4 installation accessories, make sure it can suitable for different application. Okay, and also those products are available for made in Malaysia, which means our clients can place the order directly, so we can transfer those products from Malaysia. Okay. And this zone is for the China domestic market.
Oh, okay. China domestic.
Yeah, especially that one.
You will sell them outside.
Yeah, we also have the domestic business. Yeah.
Because the UV infection is
Yeah.
quite popular and they require in very big amount.
Exactly. We started this business 2 years ago, actually, because
I see this product in the market.
it came up the coronavirus. You know that people will want to invest in more for the self-production, right, and also the safety of the public area. So UVC is a very safe and effective way to make it happen. UVC can destroy the DNA of bacteria and virus, and break up the molecules, organic molecules instantly. Which means by the exposure on the surface of the object. That's quite effective.
I think it is less than 1 minute, like 60 seconds or 50
Exactly.
seconds. Yeah,
Exactly.
it can be.
For example,
ventilated.
this one. This is a mini box. It's
mini
already
box.
on sale right now. They integrated the LED modules right here. UVC LED chips right there.
Yeah.
And you can put into some small things like glasses, your case, your phone, or even some makeup brushes inside of it.
Oh, I see.
And power it on for minutes, then take it out. It's not. It's very
Sterilized.
simple way.
Yes. Yeah. I see.
And the sterilizing rate can reach to 99.99%.
High percentage.
Yeah, that's very simple. And that air sterilizer, that one is special for the public area.
Public area. Yeah.
It can destroy the virus during the air circulation.
Circulation. Yeah. The air circulation. Yes.
Yes, because it has fans inside of it. Yeah. They put it into the UVC tube 12.
Okay.
That's good enough. This one.
Great. Okay.
I think you must be familiar with the education line, right?
Educational lights. Yes, I think in domestic markets is pay more attention to the educational lights.
Yeah, exactly. Because it's relevant to the environment of our next generation at school.
Exactly.
So we take it care very much. Most of the education light is kind of project based by commercial bidding.
Exactly.
So we just support our customers to win the business case by case.
Okay.
The advantage of our luminaires is that blackboard luminaire.
Blackboard. Oh.
Blackboard luminaire, that one.
Yeah, that one is. It's a classroom create environment that you're creating.
Yeah, it's very necessary. It's mandatory for that. Okay, for that one should be installed very close to the blackboard. And that means we're gonna avoid the light leak to bother the vision of the teacher, because who always stand beside of it.
Yes.
So there is no light leak, just we will stand here. So that's the key point of this video.
Oh, when you find the key point, yeah.
Yeah,
Exactly.
This house
Can we go in?
have kept our secret weapon.
Okay. Oh, okay.
It have a glance over there. Actually, we do a lot of investigation here to find out some innovative products with proper price. Make it attractive online. So now we have 3 series products right here.
E-commerce, right?
Yeah, e-commerce. That one is a combined RGB ambient module light. You can splice all of them together by different shape on the wall. That can change the color automatically. The color could be respond to the voice of the environment or the rhythm of music. It's very fine. Okay, for that one is a Galaxy projector. That one can bring the galaxy, all the galaxy inside of your room. You can imagine how exciting the kid will be. We have different shapes of it. And also here is a under cabinet light. For that one, we special designed for the optical. From here, you don't notice the light spread from here, right? The light is spread distributed from backside and downside. Make sure this part, this light is bright enough. But in front of your air, no light at all. So that's very solvable for the end user. Okay, I guess that's pretty much all there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So this is the last showroom.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
that's the
wow!
showroom.
I see 3 different lines and
Different
every part.
categories.
Yeah, categories and the showroom and of your e-commerce products. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your information. Thank you.
Thank
You did a very good and impressive introduction. Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Okay.
That's it.
So see you next time. See you. Thank